I welcome you all to yet another session in chemistry, and today we are going to discuss naming of coordination compounds and the chemical bonding involved in that chapter, and also the hybridization involved and other matter connected to this topic. Let us move on to section 1, that involves naming of coordination compounds. The naming in the sense the IUPAC nomenclature. Let us discuss one by one. I have written 5 compounds, so let us name one by one. And the first one here is the copper complex, and this should be named as like this. For example, this ligand is aqua, this is amine, this is chloro. So ligand should be named alphabetically, and the correct name is tetraamine aqua chloro copper 2 chloride. Tetraamine aqua chloro copper 2 chloride. So that's the name of the first compound, tetraamine. Tetraamine, while writing amine, we use the 2 M's. Tetraamine aqua chloro copper, then the oxygen state in Roman numerals, and we write chloride. Because since it is an inorganic compound, the cation should be named first, and the name must be like just ordinary inorganic compound like sodium chloride, potassium chloride, like that. Tetraamine aqua chloro copper 2 chloride. And the second one is K2Z10OH4. So this similarly here also this particular compound is an anionic complex, and here first you name the cation, that is potassium tetrahydroxyzingate. All anionic complex, the name should end with what's called ATE, that is potassium tetrahydroxyzingate 2. Potassium tetrahydroxo, and here zinc is there, therefore there should be zingate AT, and within bracket we have to write the Roman numeral 2. Now in the third compound, again a potassium complex, this time potassium dioxylato aluminate. Potassium dioxylato, potassium dioxylato. Oxalato is a bioidentate ligand. Potassium dioxylato aluminate, and within bracket we have to write the oxidation state, that is Roman numeral 3. Now compound number 4, here En is a neutral ligand, a bioidentate ligand, and here one special prefix we have to use. This is a cobalt complex, and this chloro, one of the ligands is chloro, and this is ethylene diamine or ethane 1,2 diamine. I will name it as ethylene diamine. How to name it? Dichloro. So dichloro, and here since ethylene diamine has the word di, we have to use a special prefix. Therefore, I am using that bis within bracket ethylene diamine or ethane 1,2 diamine. Ethylene diamine, and now which one is remaining? Now dichloro bis ethylene diamine cobalt, and within bracket Roman numeral 2, that is the oxygen state. And the fifth one is a neutral complex, here tetracarbonyl nickel, within bracket oxygen state 0. Therefore the name is tetracarbonyl. So carbonyl is a neutral ligand. Tetracarbonyl nickel, within bracket oxygen state we have to write 0. Tetracarbonyl nickel 0. And all metal carbonyls, the central metal ion that exists in what's called the 0 oxygen state. So all the 5 compound named, again another list of 5 compounds to follow. Therefore we name those compounds just like this, and the procedure is first the cation should be named, that is followed by anion, and anionic complexes the name end with what's called that ATE. So this is the ATE, and here also ATE. That's the only thing. And the oxygen state must be expressed in Roman numerals, and all compounds must be named just in accordance with what's the nomenclature rules for inorganic salt, just like potassium chloride and potassium sulfate, ammonium chloride, like that. The same procedure we have to adopt, and we will move on to another set of questions later.